she was only 10. 10 years. And
tell me the facts.
She was shot in her neck. She just wanted to be a soldier like her daddy and shoot guns.
Is her father alive?
He's been drinking. He's angry. He's losing his mind, blaming me for this. She was everything to me. Everything!
Okay. Give me a list of all the names you know.
Do you have any idea what time it is?
I think I found someone who can help find our daughter's killer.
I asked you what time it is.
Why does that matter? Her killer.
It matters because you're out every fucking night.
Trying to find the man who murdered our daughter.
Who the fuck is gonna help us? She's gone. It's over. Never cared about time. Not till I left. And I started to count it. Every day, week, month, every fucking year I was over there. I thought it would stop when I came home. I was gone for 5 years. Drafted the day we found out we were having a daughter. A brilliant little fuck you from Uncle Sam. Time does the nastiest things to men. I watched them lose their shit, one by one. We all ran like blind rats into landmines. Tick. Tick. Does the nastiest things to women too. Makes them lie. Makes their hearts fickle. She forgot about me. Never missed a shot before. I aimed directly at the man. And the bullet dragged to the fucking right. My daughter. She forgot me too.
Like a blind rat.
It was them. They forgot about me. Like I never came back. It wasn't the war. It wasn't the deaths.
It's about time.